For decades, estate planning has been directly correlated with driving to a fancy law firm, speaking to a big-shot lawyer whom you swear is speaking another language, and spending a truckload of money so those BMW driving lawyers expect you to believe them when they tell you something like, "money well spent," or "you get what you pay for." Easy for them to say, right? The thing is, hiring a lawyer to draft your estate plan costs a truckload of money. It's just too expensive, man. We're going to have to wait a while for an estate plan, you're thinking as you leave. The dilemma. Let's say you are married, got a couple of kids, a dog, and maybe even a little pink house. Let's also say that your sister, Jane, she's wonderful, would be the likely candidate to take care of your kids and the dog. Here's the problem. Her husband, Dick, was paroled about a month ago after pulling a nickel at Sing Sing for drug smuggling. Dick's latest plan is to move his family to a hippie commune in New Mexico, where he and his family will grow and sell mushrooms at the local farmer's market. As great as your sister is, there is no way you want Dick anywhere near your kids. This could turn into a real problem that you need to deal with now before it's too late. Welcome to GrapeVine. We are Estate Planning Simplified. We provide premium estate planning services for the 21st century. No more brick-and-mortar fancy law firms to drive to. No more expensive lawyers. No more expensive estate planning documents. GrapeVine has every estate planning document you need at a fraction of the cost of what a lawyer would charge you. Here's the best part. We use the exact same documents the big shot lawyers use. How do we know that, you ask? Because we pay those same big shot lawyers to create and constantly monitor and update every one of our estate planning documents. With GrapeVine, you can protect your kids with a nomination of guardian for less than the cost of dinner at Applebee's. Here's a couple scenarios to think about. Maybe you're headed into the hospital because you have kidney stones, and someone needs to take care of you when you get out, and you're loaded up on morphine. Do you have powers of attorney for financial and healthcare in place to deal with this? GrapeVine has you covered. Do you and your husband have kids from a prior relationship, and you're not quite sure how it's all going to play out if something happens to you? These concerns can be easily resolved inside of a GrapeVine Living Trust. What about your pets? Who's going to make sure they're taken care of if you can't do it? A GrapeVine nomination of pet caregiver has your pets covered for less than a bag of dog food. GrapeVine's digital platform is designed to handle these issues and so many more. GrapeVine's question and answer format will seamlessly guide you every step of the way to create your own estate plan, custom tailored for you. Electronically delivered, ready to print and sign. It's really that simple. And the best part? The cost will be a fraction of what you'd spend having a lawyer do it. With GrapeVine, you can draft your entire estate plan without leaving the comfort of your own couch. And when you're done, you'll have money left over to buy Dick the movie called Midnight Express. GrapeVine is estate planning simplified.